Taste.
Taste. Kim, that is so fun. It's summery, right? This is a Kim Carson
Original.
delightful. Yeah.
You get the sweetness from the mango and the spices that you add, as well as the tomatoes and the avocado. There's different textures, there's different flavors, there's just different explosions in your mouth going off all at the same time.
I love it. And we can garnish it.
Yes, let's do it. Oh man.
With a few little nasturtiums.
I love
I've been
that.
growing them organically.
You could put them you could put these in like a clear bowl and then put these flowers on top. Oh my gosh.
And see, so these are like a peppery.
These are good.
Right? I love the nasturtium.
Almost like horseradish.
A little bit, yeah. Yeah. So we have a tradition here. At Life in Bloom.
I love
it's a flower crown. Because I love to wear flower crown.
it.
I love to put flowers on my head.
I'm trying to think of which one I want to put forward. Okay.